Peace. I'm Jamar Funderburg, co-founder of Unity Market, and I'm connecting the community through commerce. This is for vendors and businesses and entrepreneurs that can't necessarily at the moment afford a storefront or afford a large overhead. So we got the best rates on vendor spaces. Basically, the point is to be at a centralized location at a consistent time so that the community can know that this is where these black businesses will be. You name it, it's here. If you can find it at Walmart, if you can find it at the mall, you can find it at Unity Market. Come on and join us. Unity Markets. Peace.